There are some moments when the spirit of a nation can be felt not only in grand celebrations, but also in the laughter of children, the cheers of supporters, and the determination shining in the eyes of young athletes. Here in Lakshadweep, our love for our motherland, India, is always deeply rooted in our hearts. Though we live on these beautiful islands, surrounded by the Arabian Sea, our patriotism knows no boundaries. The people of Lakshadweep have always shown a wonderful sense of belonging, pride and love towards our nation. This afternoon, at around 3 o'clock, our school ground became the center of excitement as our students gathered for the much-awaited finals of the girls' throwball tournament. As a teacher watching from the stadium stands, it was truly wonderful to see the ground filled with enthusiasm. The players were ready, the supporters were excited, and there was a special energy in the atmosphere. The girls' final was played between the Cheriam team and the Suhaili team. Both teams had worked hard to reach this final, and today they came to the ground with one goal: to give their very best and compete for the title. The program was inaugurated by our respected school principal and our assistant headmaster. Their presence added great significance to the occasion and encouraged our young players to step onto the field with confidence, discipline and determination. From the stands, I could see the players giving their absolute best. They were not simply playing a game, they were demonstrating teamwork, discipline, courage and confidence. What impressed me most was the sportsmanship shown by our students. Yes, everyone wanted to win. Every team wanted to lift the trophy. But at the same time, the players respected their opponents and accepted every moment of the game in the true spirit of sport. That is what makes school sports so special. As the match continued, the excitement among the supporters grew stronger. Every successful move was greeted with cheers. Every point brought another wave of excitement from the stands. And after a thrilling contest, the Cheriam team emerged victorious in the girls' throwball final. Congratulations to the Cheriam team, and a special appreciation to the Suhaili team as well. Reaching the final itself was a wonderful achievement. Now it was time for the boys to take center stage. The football final was ready to begin. The excitement was everywhere. The supporters were enthusiastic, the players were focused, and the school ground was once again transformed into a lively sporting arena. The final was a clash between Team Bangaram and Team Suhaili. Two strong teams, two determined sides, one title. As I watched from the stadium stands, I could feel the anticipation among the supporters. Everyone was waiting to see who would finally become the champion. And then the match began. The football moved rapidly across the ground as both teams tried to take control of the game. The players displayed speed, stamina, coordination, and determination. There were moments of attack and defense, moments of pressure, and moments of brilliant teamwork. Neither team was willing to give up easily. Every player was fighting for the team, not individually, but together. That is the beauty of football. One player may create the opportunity, another may make the pass, another may defend, and another may score the goal. But behind every moment of success is the effort of the entire team. The supporters understood that perfectly. From the stands, their cheers and encouragement continued throughout the match. Their enthusiasm added another layer of excitement to the final. And then came the moment everyone had been waiting for. Team Bangaram found their breakthrough. The decisive goal was scored by Mr. Shahim, wearing jersey number 7 for the Bangaram team. The goal brought an immediate burst of excitement among the Bangaram supporters. The players celebrated together, and the atmosphere at the ground became electric. That single goal made the difference, and when the final whistle came, Team Bangaram emerged victorious and lifted the football title. Congratulations to Team Bangaram and to their goalscorer, Shaheem, jersey number 7. At the same time, a big round of applause for Team Suhaili. They fought hard, they stayed competitive, and they gave the spectators a final worth remembering.